warning for northeast
Tornado warning, another one.
Central Florida until 5:15 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe
I'm in the middle of eating. Leave me
tornado
alone.
was located 7 miles east of Temple Terrace.
Wait, what?
At 35 miles an hour. Hazard
Okay.
tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Damn,
Flying debris will be
City.
dangerous to those caught without shelter.
God
Mobile
damn
homes
it.
will be
Is
damaged
he in
or
my county?
destroyed. Damage
It's in
to
my
roofs,
county.
windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Plant City
It's near
around 5
Sabring,
p.m.
which is in my county.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sefner, Leonardo Sasa, Kathleen, and Mango. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Hillsborough, Florida.